Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. If you guys don't already know who I am, my name is Yesica Hanai Becerra. I usually go by Yesi for my nickname. I never use my middle name, that's why I included it on almost all my makeup pages and on YouTube. So you can start calling me Hanai too. So welcome back to another makeup video. Today is gonna be all about the holidays. So I plan on doing a Thanksgiving look for you guys today. And this is what I achieved. Working with some maroons and orange tones for fall. I hope you guys all have been doing amazing during these crazy times. 2020 was definitely just, quarantine and getting tired of quarantine and then probably starting up quarantine again because this rest of the year is supposed to be crazy. I just hope all of you are doing okay, and honestly for me during quarantine this is what I have been spending my time on. My primary page has been Instagram, and that's where I've been posting a lot of my fun videos. But if you guys don't follow my Instagram page, that's my primary page, so make sure you go follow it. So I did mention on my Instagram page that I want to do the one dip makeup challenge. I tried to do it here on YouTube and I tried filming it. It just did not work out for me because for me I'm a dry girl and I need to spray my face so many times. I didn't want to break any rules because it wouldn't be fair, but maybe later on I might attempt doing it again. But as of now on my Instagram, everyone voted for me to start doing holiday looks, and that is my favorite time of the year, period. So yeah, I said I didn't want to make this intro long. I probably already made it long. If you want to learn how to get this beautiful maroon orange Thanksgiving makeup look, then please keep on watching. I probably did that so wrong, but okay, let's just go. So as I'm editing, I did realize that I accidentally deleted the footage from my intro, not the intro, but the intro to starting my makeup. Basically, I'm just explaining that I'm using the maroon and orange colors as well as using the Putty Primer by e.l.f. to prime my face. Now that we have our face primed, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Revolution Hydrate and Fix Radiance Makeup Fixing Spray. Hi Mama, Minnie. Little doggy. Well, my sister's doggy. I got this for her at TJ Maxx. It's so cute. This is supposed to be long wear. Ooh, it helps with oil control and it has hyaluronic acid to hydrate our face. So for within each step that I do, I'm gonna be spraying this because your girl dry. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation as well as the Beauty Bakery Instabake Aqua Glass Foundation in shade 335W, and this one's in 220 Natural Beige. So I'm going to be mixing these two together. Alright, so the concealers I'm going to go in with is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in Medium Olive, and then the Tarte Shape Tape in Medium Sand. What I hate about this is how the concealer goes up here, and when you twist it and try to close it, it goes on the rim. That irritates me so bad because when I close it, you just hear like the gushy noise. It's just like, look. This NYX concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I can't even see myself. Apply that right here to the center. With my Shape Tape concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and put this a little bit over and on the outside. And we're gonna just go ahead and put them on our high points of the face, or highlight points, whatever you call it. A little darkness here. And now with my e.l.f. sponge, we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. So what have you guys been up during quarantine? For me, it's just been really this. Makeup videos, trying to put up as much content as I can, honestly. Like I said, I feel like Instagram has become my favorite platform to be posting on during quarantine. I feel like I've just gotten a little more creative. There's times where I do get so lazy. That's my only problem. I could get so lazy to like get up and then set everything up because it does get a little like exhausting, but it's a type of exhausting that I like. It's just nowadays, really, in any field of work that you're interested in, there's always going to be competition, and you just can't doubt your skill. Really go at your own pace, and just like they say, always just go for what you want and trust the process. Sometimes it's really hard for me to trust that process, but I'm like, I can't help the process if I'm not putting my part either. Nothing comes for free and nothing comes easy. You see, I'm not a motivational speaker, but I am a positive person. What I'm gonna go in with is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Let's grab our beauty blender and start blending that out. One thing I was planning to do like a little montage of is my sister's preparations for my sister's, like for example bachelorette and bridal shower. Hopefully I would have time because me and my sister are her bridesmaids and we're gonna be like super busy being up and down trying to get things ready. But that's something I feel like I would want to document just because it's so special. Like, she's gonna be the first one to be getting married in the family, so it would be a really special moment to just document that for her and just have it as a memory. So I'm thinking of doing that as well. I don't know if to do it for YouTube or probably for Instagram, since I want to make it into just a montage. But if not a montage, then maybe for YouTube and make it like kind of like a vlog. So we'll see. My nose contour, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer again. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the center, a little bit to the sides. I don't usually contour my nose, so let's see how this turns out. But there's a first for everything. So bad. That looks so bad. Okay, hold on. Let's blend this out. Now with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Usually my go-to palettes are always the James Charles and the Jaclyn Hill just because they have all the colors. So shout out to them. Pick up my Morphe M573 brush and I'm gonna go into this orange color right here. We're going with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go in with this burnt orange color. I hope you guys can see that. So with this color, we just want to be patting this all around the crease, all the way into the inner corner. Picking up that brush that I used for the orange color, I'm gonna go ahead and dip in just a little bit more and start blending the two together. Once again, picking up just a little bit more color, we're going back in and darkening up that color after blending the two together. So it's really just a process with eyeshadow because sometimes blending it out kind of fades away the color that you originally already packed on. So you just kind of have to be going back and forth until you're satisfied with how pigmented the eyeshadow is. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the other eye. Okay, so now that we have both colors blended out on each eye, we're gonna go ahead and go in with a different shade. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two together. So we're just gonna keep darkening up the crease area. Going in back with that other brush, just go ahead and blend, blend, blend. Soft circular motions as well. All right, looking good so far. So now for the next color, we're gonna be picking up this maroon shade right here. And then I'm picking that up with the Morphe M456. Start patting it. And now from the James Charles palette, picking up this shimmery maroon color with this copper color. We're gonna go ahead and apply that to the center of the lid. We're actually gonna go ahead and go back in with that powder. I thought we were done. And just go ahead and apply it under your eye again. Just picking up this color once again. We're gonna go ahead and apply that right on the outside of the shimmer to blend those two together. The matte maroon color, we're gonna go ahead and apply that, stamp it onto the waterline. Now picking up my Morphe E36 brush, we're gonna go ahead and go into burnt orange color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. But want to go ahead and apply our wing as well. All right, so that is one wing done. Let me just go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so I'm back after 10 minutes trying to apply my eyeliner because this one got too thick. I had to take it off and then redraw that, and then I had to do this one. So the eyeliner that I used was the Epic Eyeliner by NYX. Now for the next step, we're gonna go ahead and do lashes. I'm gonna be using Shine's Luxury Lashes in Coral. My best friend told me about her brand and ended up winning a giveaway, and I got these as part of the lash set. So yeah, these are one of my favorites. Okay, just kidding. I'm not gonna apply the lash just yet. Let me just go ahead and apply the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Get back in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. We're just gonna go ahead and do our lower lash line. Our lower lashes. So now what I'm gonna be going in with is Benefit's Brow Microfilling Pen. So if you guys don't already know, this pen is supposed to mimic real hairs, giving you hair-like strokes. So I really like it just because it really gives off that natural type of brow look, which is what I love to go for. So now that we have our brows on, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into bronzing and contouring. What I'm gonna use for bronzing today, I just purchased this. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Collection X. I don't wanna butcher her name, So it's this beautiful woman right here. It's a collaboration with her. It says that the palette has 3 blushes, 2 bronzers, and 1 highlighter, but I would consider these 2 highlighters because they do really give a nice sheen look. So yeah, this one's the deep bronzer, and then here's the sunset bronzer. So I think I'm gonna be mixing a little bit of both for the bronzing. If you guys haven't tried Physicians Formula, I love their butter bronzers. They smell so good, like super tropical and very a lot like coconut. But not just that, but they give off a lot of pigment. So when applying a bronzer and contour, you wanna make sure that you apply it on the high points of the cheek, which would be up here. You never want to bring it down just because it'll give you that smudged look. You wanna make sure that your face looks lifted. Go ahead and also contour and bronze up the nose. Bring it right below here. Now that we have applied our bronzer, we're just gonna go ahead and go into the Anastasia Contour Kit. This is in the light to medium palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up these 2 right here. So again, for the contour, we wanna keep it right above right here to make the face look lifted. Make you look like Kim K, you know what I'm saying? And just use the leftovers to contour the nose. So now that we have the contour and the bronzer on, I'm gonna go back into this palette by Physicians Formula, and I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of these 2. And then with the leftover, I just like to apply it to the apple of the cheek. Just brush it on the nose. And now with my M501 brush, we're gonna go ahead and pick up this Golden Hour shade right here. Ooh, like that. And then we're just gonna drag that into the eyebrow. We're gonna grab that same shade and apply it to the tip of the nose, the bridge of our nose as well. Apply it to the forehead. And then once again, back in with the spray. So now to finish this look off, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg. This is one of my favorite ones. And then I'm gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Shook. I really love how this look turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm in love with the maroon colors, the orange tones for fall. You guys, this is the complete look. This is my maroon / orange makeup look all complete. I plan on doing one more video for you guys, so hopefully I'll be able to get that up either sometime around this week or maybe next week before Thanksgiving. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what colors you want me to play with for Christmas. That's already gonna be next month. It's crazy, it's gonna pass by so quick. Please don't forget to give my makeup pages a follow. My primary account is on Instagram, Yesi_Hanai. On Facebook, it's Fresh and New. You can find me there under Yesi Hanai without the underscore. I'm on Pinterest as well, Yesica Becerra, and then here on YouTube, Yesica Hanai. I will link all those down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon again. Bye. Tengo la gaña. What? 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 I'm doing a video. Why? What? See what? Open what? Close the door.